Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Transform tool. The Transform tool allows you to move, resize and rotate the contents of the current layer. Select the Transform tool from the toolbar or press the V shortcut key. A drop-down menu with different options appears on the tool adjustment bar. With the Move tool you can move the content of the current layer. Next to it, there is a second drop-down menu with additional options which control how the image data will respond when pushed off the edge. With the default option Don't Wrap at the Edge selected, the object will be cropped when pushed off the edge. With the next three options the object will be wrapped to the other side. The Copy option will make a copy of the layer data and move that rather than the original image. The Mask Source option will filter the image through any mask that is currently set. If you move an object behind a mask, it will be also masked. The Mask Destination option will filter, or block, the image data from being placed in masked areas. If you move an object behind a masked area with this option checked, your object will only be cropped and won't be masked. The Resize Centered and the Resize Floating options are used to resize the contents of your current layer. With the second option the objects will float over the canvas while being resized. The Rotate Centered and the Rotate Floating options are used to rotate the contents of your current layer. With the second option the objects will float over the canvas while being rotated. If you need to resize and rotate your objects at the same time, you may find useful the Resize and Rotate Centered or the Resize and Rotate Floating options.